What's the meaning of crowd? Crowd. Crowd.
Crowd. Crowd. The term crowd refers to a large group of people gathered together in one place, usually for a common purpose or interest. Crowds can be seen in various settings such as concerts, protests, sporting events, and public gatherings, among others. The result of a crowd can be both positive and negative. Positively, a crowd can create a sense of unity, energy, and excitement. However, negatively, a crowd can also lead to chaos, violence, and destruction. Therefore, it is important to manage crowds effectively to ensure safety and order.